It's not uncommon for engineering companies working in the energy sector to transfer employees between international offices and sites. In fact, a lot of the time it's crucial for company growth. The US offers immense opportunities for international companies. However, navigating the complexities of visas and regulations can be difficult. In today's video, we'll be looking at the L1 Intra-Company Transfer Visa, including what exactly one is, and most importantly, how to get one. The L1 visa is a petition-based visa that allows companies to transfer employees from foreign offices to a branch, subsidiary, affiliate, or parent company in the United States. It caters for two categories of professionals, the L1A for executives and managers, and the L1B for employees with specialised knowledge. One of the most important parts of any visa process is the eligibility criteria. For employers, they must have a qualifying relationship with a foreign company and must conduct business in the US and at least one other country. For employees, they must have been employed full-time by the foreign entity for at least 12 consecutive months in the 3 years before the transfer, and they must transfer to the US in an executive/managerial or specialist knowledge capacity. There are some key differences between the two visas, which we've outlined for you on screen. The main differences are the length of stay and how easy it is to obtain a green card. The L1 visa is a dual intent visa, allowing holders to apply for a green card while maintaining their current visa status. L1A visa holders often find it easier to transition to permanent residency through the EB-1C green card category. The application process includes 3 key steps. The employer files Form I-129H with USCIS. The employee completes Form DS-160 and attends a visa interview. Then upon arrival, the employee can enter and work in the US. For companies frequently transferring employees, the blanket L1 petition offers a streamlined process, allowing direct applications at US consulates without individual USCIS approval. The benefits of the L1 visa are vast. There's no need for labour condition applications, no annual cap on the number of visas issued, spouses and unmarried children under 21 can accompany the visa holder, spouses can apply for work authorisation, it allows for future green card applications, and there are no salary limitations, subject to minimum wage compliance. Whether you're a company looking to expand or an engineer ready to take on a new challenge, for more information on how NES Fircroft can assist with your L1 visa needs, contact our specialist team today at nesfircroft.com. There you can also find all our open vacancies across the globe and register your CV with us. For more engineering news, content and career advice, subscribe to our channel, like this video and follow us on LinkedIn at NES Fircroft. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you next time.